Mobile terminals seem to be the last solution in the near future to provide all kinds of connections in areas that lack fixed connection. As a result, future mobile solutions should be cost-effective. The cellular infrastructure and mobile terminal technology should be cheap, so people with low income can use them. To achieve this target, along with constant improvements in the 6G data rate solution, a large and more inexpensive solution is needed with unified device types. Some remote areas are not connected to the power grid. As a result, they must rely on either refuel generators or renewable energy sources such as solar, wind, and water. A power plant in a remote area can also be part of a local grid that serves household needs. Both communication networks and power grids would need a new form of joint resource optimization as a result of this. Creating incredibly wide coverage cells, also known as mega cells, is one of the immediate approaches to providing wireless connectivity to hard-to-reach areas. The deployment of a new base station for mega cell creations for wireless access delivery is often associated with investment costs. These may be reduced if existing infrastructure, such as a high TV tower and buildings in mountains, as well as infrastructure such as tethered balloons, can be used. These high-spot transceivers can be used for both end-user access and to provide a backhaul connection to the remote areas. They can also serve as a relay station in the microwave link chain. The future 6G system should support such multi-purpose use and large coverage, which may require some investigation. In addition, suitable antenna technology may require research attention to be paid to 6G frequencies. Connectivity is sometimes temporarily required in areas where it does not exist or is no longer available. For example, there's a disaster, so the connection is no longer available there. In this case, ad hoc networks are often needed, especially by authorities such as police officers, firefighters, and first responders. Ad hocs can be used to form independent local networks, but can also be connected to the internet in many opportunistic ways. However, in developing 6G solutions for these issues, it is important to understand that public protection and disaster relief authorities may have specific requirements that are usually unnecessary in other uses. By the way, ad hoc is wireless ad hoc is a mobile ad hoc network is a decentralized type of wireless network. The network is ad hoc because it does not rely on a pre-existing infrastructure, such as a router and a wired network. People sometimes need to be educated in and accept new technologies. An example of how to do this is gaming and quiz applications developed for a particular rural region, where villagers self-learn the lesson on how to utilize the technology and devices through the interactive audiovisual games and quizzes based on multiple choice questions. 6G challenges and research ideas for the wireless terrestrial mobile radio. 1. Technology and standards for large cell solutions. Possible coexistence of 6G and TV signals in a TV tower. This is an idea. Like we can coexist both 6G and TV towers together. Power usage adaptation based on available power from a local power grid, taking other local power consumption into account. Mobile platforms, for example, in collecting sensor data and supporting connectivity. 4. More relaxing and flexible frequency regulations in remote places, along with the interference management issues. 5. Deployable 6G networks for emergency and authority use.